How to get $40 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. With that, you're going to find different website options. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. You can also try this one website, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. So you can scroll down, 15% off, $30 off, $50 off, and many more. You can head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on the offer. So I have selected this one offer, $20 off. You'll get the code, copy it, then click on the option of redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu, select the items that you want to order, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. The process is same. Just scroll and check out the offers. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Uber Eats. This way, you can easily get $40 working coupon code for Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.